Hi everyone, this is Scott Barlag at Campland RV, Burns Harbor, Indiana, I-94 at exit 22A. Today I want to show you the easiest and most effective way to extend the life of your air conditioner unit. First of all, just make sure that the air conditioner is off. Pretty simple. Next, you want to come out to where the air conditioner is located, and you'll see that I've already started the process. No matter what type it is, there's going to be some type of grate, whether it covers the entire square and you have to remove it with 4 screws, or in this case on the Coleman Mach, it has 2 grates that are held in place with these little tabs. So you just push in and the first grate comes out. Then under that is another fiber grate, and I have them down here. You can see this is the first grate you're going to remove. Then on this Coleman Mach, this is the second grate. What you're going to want to do is wash both in simple dish soap, water and say Dawn, and dry them off really good, then reinstall. And that's about all there is to it to help extend the life of your air conditioner unit. Of course, you'll also want to get on the ceiling and check the vents up the ceiling. Get up on the roof and check the grates on the roof as well. If you have any questions about ABCs of RVs and how to, please let me know. Contact me, sbarlag at camplandrv.com. You can also shoot a text, 219-787-1040. Please make it attention Scott. Thanks a lot, hope you enjoy, and don't forget, sign up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks, bye.